Hello, kids. It's that time again, a little Charles Bukowski. I wonder if anybody ever called him Chuck. Just wondering. But I got a great one for you tonight, so listen up. You're going to enjoy this one, especially if you've ever driven a car. It's called Like a Polluted River Flowing. The freeways are a psychological entanglement of warped souls. Dying flowers in the dying hour of the dying day. Old cars, young drivers, new models driven by aged men, driven by drivers without licenses, by drunk drivers, by drugged drivers, by suicidal drivers, by super cautious drivers. The worst. Drivers with minds like camels, drivers who piss in their seats, drivers who yearn to kill, drivers who love to gamble, drivers who blame everybody else, drivers who hate everybody, drivers who carry guns. Drivers who don't know what rear view mirrors are for, what the turn signals are for. Drivers who drive without brakes. Drivers who drive on ball tires. Drivers who drive slowly in the fast lane. Drivers who hate their wives or their husbands and want to make you pay for that. Unemployed drivers, pissed. All these represent humanity in general, totally enraged, demented, vengeful, spiteful, cheap denizens of our culture, vultures, jackals, sharks, suckerfish, stingrays, lice. All on the freeway along with you, tailgating, cutting in and out, cheating themselves, leering, their radios blaring the worst music ever written, their gas tanks nearly empty, engines overheating, minds over the next hill. They don't know how to drive or live. They know less than a snail crawling home. They are what you see every day, going from nowhere to nowhere. They elect presidents, procreate, decorate their Christmas trees. What you see on the freeway is just what there is, a funeral procession of the dead, the greatest horror of our times in motion. I'll see you there tomorrow.